like, as a spoiler, DevOps is not paying one person to do two jobs. One of my cousins was like, my boss told me today he wants us to do DevOps. And basically he laid off the ops person and now I have to do both. And I think DevOps sucks. I'm like, that is not DevOps. Just to be clear, that's not what DevOps is. Okay, so so DevOps is a new and more modern way to build software. Like years ago, like when software started, we didn't have any specific thing that we were doing to build software. Like at the very beginning, there was no specific methodology. Then eventually like a whole bunch came out, like rapid application development, waterfall, etc. And then of all the first ones, waterfall won out. And it's where you like, it's very slow. You would ask them what they want, and then you'd spend about a year building it, and then you would show it to them. And quite often they'd be like, that's not what I wanted. And you wouldn't get lots of feedback. It didn't go that well. So then we started doing Agile. Agile was a lot better. We would do smaller cycles, and it's like, I built this feature. What do you think? You like it? Cool. I built this feature now, feature number 2. What do you think? It's cool? Okay. And we started doing smaller cycles of faster cycles to release things. But then with DevOps, it is not only, a way to build software, it is an entire culture shift. And we talk about, so basically, I'm going to go over briefly the three ways of DevOps, like the rules you must follow, but it is a more modern and faster way to build software. It involves culture, and it involves especially efficiency. Efficiency and speed are the just two most important things when doing DevOps. So there's some comments. Lewis says, we just finished our CI/CD pipeline at my company recently and have an SCA and SAST in place and are starting the CI/CD pipeline work. So this is very timely for me. And Leandro says, if you got CI down, CD comes naturally. Hopefully it follows this trend for you. Nice. And I also agree, it does.